Western Plus Metro Clark officially launched its newest attraction, the BW Sports Simulator, isang modern at interactive sports hub na perfect para sa barkada, pamilya o kahit solo playtime.
I would like to invite all of you to BW Multi-Sports Sports Screen. You can visit our facility at the second floor of Best Western Hotel, Metro Clark, Savers Mall Building, Balibago, Angeles City.
Matatagpuan sa second floor ng hotel at open daily mula 2 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m. Ang BW Sports Simulator ay pinagsama-sama ang recreation, technology at entertainment all in one stylish spot. Sa media launch, present sina Savers Group Holdings Incorporated executives, sina Chairman and CEO Jaime Jack Uy, Vice Chairman and Treasurer Shirley Uy, President and COO Jansen Ivan Uy, Executive Vice President Justin Sean Uy, at SGH Directors Jason Stephen Uy at Jarrell Simon Uy. May dalawang premium bays na pwedeng pagpilian. Legend Bay para sa mga gusto ng variety. Dito, pwedeng maglaro ng virtual basketball, dodgeball at marami pang iba. Masters Bay naman, designed para sa golf lovers na gusto ng realistic at immersive indoor golfing experience.
And welcome to the BW Sports Simulator here in the second floor of Best Western Plus Metro Clark. What we have here is not just a golf simulator, it's a complete immersive and dynamic experience. We here in Savers Group want to provide the end-to-end experience, not only in golf, but you could bring your family, bring your friends here to play football, to play basketball, have some KTV, and enjoy the comforts of food here in Cactus Jack, Legend, and Namari.
Perfect ito para sa casual play, practice session, or even private parties. Pwede mong i-book para sa bridal showers, bachelor's party, baby showers, at intimate gatherings. At syempre, may event packages din to make the experience even more special. BW Sports Simulator is your next go-to spot for good times and great vibes. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.